Robinhood pushes SEC for tokenized RWAs as $30 trillion market looms. Robinhood, SEC, tokenization. A federal path for tokenized securities would mark a shift from fragmented enforcement to system-level integration, something that could reshape who controls access to digital markets. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 19, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Robinhood has asked the SEC to formally recognize tokenized assets like stocks and bonds as equivalent to their traditional forms. The proposed framework would allow broker-dealers to trade and custody these tokens under existing U.S. securities rules. The plan includes the new platform RRE to combine off-chain matching with on-chain settlement and integrates identity and AML checks. Robinhood has submitted a 42-page proposal to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, requesting the creation of a federal regulatory framework for tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, according to a May 20th report by Forbes. The proposal, as outlined in the report, advocates for tokens representing assets like stocks or bonds to be treated as legal equivalents to their traditional forms. It also calls for a national standard to replace the current patchwork of state-level rules governing securities. Robinhood details compliance plan for tokenized asset trading. Robinhood's proposed platform, the Real-World Asset Exchange (RRE), would use off-chain trade matching for speed and on-chain settlement for transparency. According to Forbes, the system incorporates identity and anti-money laundering tools from Jumio and Chainalysis to comply with global KYC/AML requirements. This proposal could mark the first time a U.S.-regulated broker has laid out a viable path for bringing trillions of dollars in assets on-chain, without compromising regulatory integrity, said Matti Greenspan, founder of Quantum Economics. If the SEC embraces this, it's a signal to the world that tokenization has a legitimate seat at the traditional finance table, said Greenspan. The SEC has not yet responded to the filing. Legal observers say that Robinhood's push for asset token equivalency could influence broader regulatory interpretations, including issues related to taxation and jurisdiction. However, actual implementation would depend on interagency cooperation and market uptake. Global push for regulated tokenization. Robinhood, best known for its role in the 2021 retail trading boom, is positioning the RRE platform as part of a longer-term transition toward digital asset infrastructure. No timeline for SEC review or public feedback has been disclosed. RWA tokenization is projected to reach $30 trillion by 2030, driven by demand for faster settlement, continuous market access, and embedded compliance. Robinhood's proposal reflects a broader push to bring these assets into regulated financial systems, a shift that could reshape how traditional markets operate. Other jurisdictions are advancing similar efforts. For example, regulators in Singapore and the UK are testing tokenized funds and bonds, exploring how blockchain infrastructure can serve institutional markets without discarding legal safeguards. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Who's already testing tokenized assets in practice? JP Morgan, Franklin Templeton, and Singapore's MAS have all run limited pilots, mostly focused on bonds or fund shares in controlled settings. What's the regulatory bottleneck right now? Fragmented oversight. The SEC, CFTC, and state agencies all play a role, but there's no unified rulebook for tokenized assets, slowing adoption and raising compliance risk. Could this proposal push other firms to act? Yes. A formal SEC response would give other brokerages a clearer sense of what's legally possible and where the red lines are. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple, Can XRP reach $5 in May? XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? May 13, 2025. By Amin Ayan. Altcoin news. Coinbase revenue from XRP tops ETH. SOL is holding soar 458%. Is XRP price ready for breakout? May 10, 2025. By Amin Ayan. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? May 15, 2025. 5 days ago. By Seed Fatal Pazik. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.